Yo, what's up, YouTube? This your boy Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. And today I got another video for you guys. I know I've been gone for a little while. Happy 2020. Happy 2020. Okay, now I got this medium skin fade. Okay, now if you paid attention to my channel, you would notice that this here client is one of the ones that I've done in the past, and this is just another haircut with the same guy. You know what I mean? So if you guys been paying attention, if you guys been learning, if you guys been giving me a lot of feedback, I appreciate it, because you help me, I help you. You know what I mean? Thanks to well, shout out to everybody that's been growing with the channel, man. Shout out to Barber Illuminati. Shout out to V Camp Sport Ministry. Okay, y'all check them out, V Camp Sport Ministry. And that's my, one of my closest homies, one of my brothers. You know what I'm saying? Y'all check them out and show them some love over here on YouTube. All right. So anyways, I'm balding out the bottom. Okay. I got so much that's been going on lately. I've been really tied up in the business. I've been growing like crazy as far as haircuts, man. Clientele has been moving. So thank you guys for still watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Those of you that are following me on Instagram, thanks. Okay. All right. So what I did was I had just balded out the bottom, as you guys know. All right. Now I have my Andes NVLI cordless with the what is this? The Wall Senior blades on them. I got the blades all the way open, and I went up about 1/4 inch to 1 inch. It's up to you how much room you leave yourself to work with. I say I go up about 1/4 inch, and all I'm gonna do, the next step, is close the lever and fade out that bottom line. I do have these zero gaps, so this is pretty much straight to the point, like all of my other videos. Nothing to it but to do it. Again, shout out to Barber Illuminati. Shout out to everybody. Yo, Barber Illuminati, I heard you went out the country. How was it? You know what I mean? Shout out to V Camp Sport Ministry. Like I said, y'all check them out, okay? Now I have the lever closed, and what I'm doing is fading out that bottom line. And it's already transitioning. Okay, so y'all know the next step. If you've been paying attention to my channel, you already know the next step, and that would be to put on the one guard. Okay, so I go from no guard, fade up with the lever open all the way, then I close the lever all the way, fade out that bottom line. Now I'm going to the one guard. Okay, opened all the way, and I'm gonna go up about the same amount, about 1/4 inch. Okay, y'all bear with me. This is the first video I've done in a long time. As y'all can see, I got the steam machine in the background. Okay, if y'all paying attention, y'all see the steam machine in the background. That thing gives some really good steam shaves, y'all. Really good steam shaves. So, if you interested in doing something like that, providing extra services in the barbershop, I truly recommend you get one of those. Okay, so okay, now I got the lever closed with the one guard on there, and I'm fading right below the highest, well, right below where I faded up at, with the lever all the way open. So the whole reason that I'm going right below it is to fade up gradually. Okay. So, does any of you guys know what the next guard that I will put on? And yes, if you guessed the half guard, okay, so yeah, that's closed all the way. So if you guessed the half guard closed all the way, bingo. If you guessed the half guard open halfway, also bingo. It's up to you. You can use the half guard open all the way, however you see fit. All you trying to do is get these fade to transition. So I went from no guard to one guard down to the half guard, and the half guard is between the no guard and the one guard. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense, but if it doesn't, rewind this and play it back and listen to what I said. So I went from a no guard to the one guard, back down to the half guard, and the half guard is faded in between the one and the no guard, okay? It's pretty self-explanatory. Sometimes it could come off as a little complicated, but it's not. It's straight to the point. All right, so I got the half guard in between the no and the one guard. And I think for the rest of this video, what I'm gonna be doing is pretty much detail work. I'm gonna actually show you guys a lot of Kiss Express airbrush. Well, it's not gonna be too long, but I'm gonna actually airbrush this video, this haircut. That way you guys can get a really good look at how I do this process, okay? Shout out to everybody, like I said, that been showing me love. Shout out to those of you that's been liking, man. Liking and subscribing and commenting, man. I appreciate it, y'all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Who do y'all think gonna win the Super Bowl this year? Who do you think going to the Super Bowl this year? Those of you that are football fans, I know you've seen that NFL logo in the background on that TV screen. I want to know what team you guys are rooting for to go to the Super Bowl. Those of you that have tried that Andy's NVLI with the Wall Senior Blade, let me know what y'all think about this device. I am no longer using that tool. I actually started to use my Wall Seniors again because I got them back from the Wall Company. So yeah, I had issues with my Wall Senior cordless. Mailed them in, they refurbished them, sent them back out to me with no problem. And they've been rocking with me. They've been doing good ever since. So I'm back at the Wall Seniors now. All right, now here we go. Start off at the middle, fade my line my way up and to the right. All right, try to stay as straight as possible. Then I do the other side the same way. Okay, now here we go. As far as the airbrush, I'm using my Master Airbrush Kit. All right, with the Kiss Express. All right, pretty much it, straight to the point. All right, those of you that like my video, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, share. Shout out to Barber Illuminati, V Camp Ministry.